It's been 4 years since the only hospital in Wilbarger County was at risk of closing its doors, and now the woman who's credited with turning things around there has turned in her resignation.
To take you back, we first reported about a shift at Wilbarger General Hospital in December of 2013. That's when, just days before Christmas, nearly 24 people were laid off, partly because of the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare. 7 months later, the hospital CEO resigned unexpectedly after 8 years on the job. A leader was brought in just days later on an interim basis. In June of 2015, Claudia Eisman took over the reins with the hope of getting the hospital's finances back on track.
Katia Gilm went to the hospital today, and Katia, folks there say Claudia Eisman has really made a difference.
That's for sure. During her tenure, the hospital has seen an increase in year-over-year admission. It was also recognized for their exceptional care at the national level, one of the only 2 rural hospitals in the entire state to be given high marks.
There is no way I'm taking the elevator. It is unhealthy.
For the past 3 years,
We live and work in healthcare, that we need to set an example.
Claudia Eisman
So I always take the stairs.
has dedicated her time to make Wilbarger General Hospital
Up we go.
one of the best in Texoma.
My personal values and philosophy has always been come into a community and make a positive difference in every way that you can.
No. And those who've worked alongside her and under her would say she's done just that.
See you later.
Just within the last year, the hospital has increased its admissions by nearly 80%. And this is the first time that we've seen this within the past 5 years.
They say not only has she increased admissions at the hospital,
You knew it was my feet, didn't you?
but she also helped bring new and improved equipment to treat patients at the facility.
And over the last few years, we've received about $150,000 in grant money, and some of the things we've been able to buy with that grant money is some medication dispensing machines.
And those funds also helped the facility purchase brand new beds.
I've been so fortunate here. It was a really excruciating decision for me. I love the people I work with. I absolutely love Texas. We've got a great team here, a wonderful board. But really, the short answer is family.
Eisman says she's taking her talents back home to Kentucky
Well, there you are.
to run another rural general hospital.
Bye, Kathy.
But she will always be proud of all that has taken shape at Wilbarger General Hospital
We're here when people need us.
under her leadership.
See you later.
I asked her if there was anything she started and she wished she had the chance to finish before she left. She told me she has been working on making sure all those in Vernon who need medical care are able to get it. She said, amongst other things, she started to work on virtual visits where patients can talk to a nurse virtually. She said that should come out before she leaves. Her last day is set for September 7th.
She has done some great things out there in Wilbarger County,
Yeah.
and she will, I'm sure, be missed. Katia, thank you.
So much accomplished in a short amount of time.
Very much so.